Hello guys, Croatian travelers are back. We are going to village La Turbie, from where you have the best views of Monte Carlo and Monaco, but it's a little bit tricky to get there.
Distance between La Turbie and Monaco is only 15 minutes by car. The ride is more interesting when going downhill, from La Turbie to Monaco, because of the best panoramic views of Cote de Azur and Mediterranean Sea. So ride with us for the next 2 minutes. On this road, in 1982, Princess Grace lost control of her car on a sharp 180-degree turn and drove straight into a hillside at great speed. Princess Grace died the next day, while her daughter Stephanie escaped without serious injury. La Turbie is a hilltop village overlooking Monaco and the Cote de Azur. The best views of Monaco can be seen from here. It's an adorable medieval village which sits on Roman ruins, and it was used as a road from Rome to the Alpes, so there's a lot of history in those streets. The most important attraction in this medieval village is the Trophy of the Alps, built around 6th BC. This large monument once featured a great statue of the Emperor Augustus. Another highlight in La Turbie village is the little church of Saint Michel, a Baroque-style church built in the middle of the 18th century.
After you reach village La Turbie, you need to park and walk around 20-25 minutes to the top of a hill. Može li, Mari?
spectacular.